Hello guys, welcome back to a new part of Android tutorial. In today's episode we are going to learn about how to use the camera app available with the Android device. So here in this project we just check the project using the Android virtual device. So first you have to set up camera on the Android virtual device. So go to the window option and choose the Android virtual device and choose the Android virtual device and select the edit option. Here is the camera option. Here is the front camera. I choose it as emulated. Here is the back camera option and choose it as emulated, and don't forget to provide some internal storage size, that means SD card size. So and click OK. Okay, now I just edit the Android virtual device for adding camera, and now I start the Android virtual device and click launch. Okay, now the device is started. So now here I already created a project called camera test, and here is the main activity. So I just add a button for starting the camera app and also place an image view for showing the camera taken by the camera app, and here you need to provide a default image for the image view. So here I just choose the IC launcher and click OK. So here is the image view. This is the XML of that layout. I change the ID of the button as BN and change the text of the button as capture image. Here is the image view. Change the ID of the image view. I change it as IMG. Okay. Okay, now our AVD is now booting. Okay. So before using the camera, you need to set permission on the Android manifest file. So open the Android manifest file. You need to add the permission here, and here use feature Android name equal to Android dot send hardware Android dot hardware dot provide the hardware name. Here it is camera. Okay, one more tag, Android required. I make it as true. By specifying the Android required as true, this means that you must need the camera on the device in order to install this application. So if the record is false, there is no need to have a camera on the device for installing this application. Okay, so now again go to the main activity. Here I'm going to create an object of button bn, import button and connect the button object using find view by id method. Find view by id dot id dot, here the object name is button bn, and you need to cast it into button. Okay, now I'm going to create an action listener for the button bn dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. You need to import some package here. Here you need a semicolon. Okay, so The camera app is also an activity or is an application, so you can use the indent filter for starting that camera app. So here I'm going to create an indent object, indent I equal to new indent, and provide, you need to import indent also. Okay, provide an argument. Here the argument is media store dot, here is the action image capture for capturing an image. Okay, now here I'm going to start the camera app. Here there are two ways of starting an activity. First one is start activity and second one is start activity for result. So here in this case, whenever we invoke the camera application, that application will capture an image and send the result into the activity that call it. So here, so we need to invoke that camera application using the start activity for result. So before doing it, you have to check whether the camera application is available on your device. So if I dot resolve activity and get packet manager, if it is not null, if it is not equal to null, you can now start the camera app. So start activity for result and provide that indent object. Okay, you need a request code here. So here I just create a request code int request code equal to 1. Also pass that request code here because it is start activity for result. Request code. Okay, so now you have to create the method for getting the result back. So before doing that, you need to create an object of image view also. Image view img. Also connect that object using find view by id method. Img equal to find view by id r dot id dot, here the identifier is img and you need to cast it into image view. Okay, so now I am going to create the method for handling the result. So here is the method, public void on activity result, public void on activity result. It has three arguments. First one is the request code, second one is again an integer is the result code, and final one is an indent object, indent data. Okay, so first we have to check the request code. We have to authenticate that request code. If request code equal to that request code, and if result okay, if the result code equal to result okay, result code equal to result okay, now you can accept the data. So here the data is a bitmap image. So whenever we capture an image, actually the camera application will generate two option for that image. First one is a thumbnail view and second one is that large image. So here I just accept that thumbnail view on this method. So we can access the data, that means that thumbnail view on the indent object from the indent object. So in order to get that data, here I am just create an object of bundle equal to new bundle, just initialize and just create an object of bundle class. So now I'm going to get the bundle from the indent object. So data, so bundle equal to data dot get extras. So now we got the bundle from the indent. Now I'm going to create an object of bitmap bmp, and now I am going to get the data, that means that bitmap image from the bundle object. So bundle dot using the get method. So here is a key. Here the default key for that bitmap image sent by the camera app is data. You can use it as data. This is a fixed value. Also it's an object, so you need to cast it into bitmap. Okay, now we got the bitmap image on this bitmap image objects. So now we have to set that onto the image view. So img dot set, there is a method called set image bitmap, and use pass that bitmap object. Okay, now we complete the coding. Now you can run the project. So right click the project and choose run as Android application. Yes, save it. Okay, now we successfully launched the application, and here is the capture image button. I click it. Now the camera app is open up, and I capture an image here and click OK. Now here is the bitmap will appear on the image view. Guys, this is how we just simply take an image, take a picture using camera app available on any Android device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates. See you in the next part.